guy saying there's no castle up here. Ovaj kaže nema dvorca vamo gore. Hodate sa mnom. Come walk with me. So when you're walking up here, kad hodate vamo gore, vidite ovo sve ljepotu. Our people got together around the world and made this possible because all this used to be forest. Ovo prije ništa nije bilo ovdje i naši se ljudi skupili da ovo napravu sve. Nije bilo ova cesta, nije ništa od bilo. Sam pustinja. Now, my friend, here comes the beautiful part. Where the impossible becomes impossible. Spread love, not hate. Volite svakoga. Ne samo sebi sami. I welcome you to the entrance of this beautiful place. Now, this is a castle, yes. It used to be a mosque as well from the 1300s. Jeste, ovo je dvorec i ovo je isto bila prije džamija. Sad ćete vidjeti ovo. One more beautiful mosque. When you enter, picnic tables, gazebos, more picnic tables, my friends, and a life-size chest. Od mi dođemo da se družimo i ostalo, sve uživamo, vidiš? You can dance right here, you can bring your friends along if you want to. Ovo se može plesati, može sve što raditi. One gazebo, 2, 3. Ovo se uživa, sada je na ljeto, ovo će sve biti otvoreno. I ako hoćete doći, slobodno dođite, Pozviz, Velika Kladuša. Now this is the road that hasn't been here before and I'm gonna take you up there to the castle. Ovo ti cesta gdje možeš ići do dvorca, ali to je prije bila džamija, jeste. Fun fact, my friend, Bosnia and almost all Europe is all filled with castles. Ancient castles. Još hodamo. Are you ready? Are you ready for this, baby? Baby? Damn, Daniel. Pitaj ga je spreman za ovo. Bum, 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 bum. Right, there goes the road. Habibi, come to Bosnia, Habibi. Nature, beauty, at its finest. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Stari Grad of Pozvizd. Now, Stari Grad means medieval town. My friend, welcome to our 13th century castle, which used to be a mosque, like I said. Now, the plan is hopefully to rebuild all this. Naš je plan, ako Bog da ovo sve se popravi opet, još kamenje, the solid rock right there, ove kamenje, ovo ostalo. Look at the beauty! Mi casa, su casa, ladies and gentlemen. Moja kuća, tvoja kuća. Dobri došli. Welcome. Wow. Vidiš, look at that. My friends, rule 1 in life, don't judge a book by its cover. Look at that. Penjemo se, we're climbing. Welcome to my backyard, ladies and gentlemen. Just beautiful. Hey, merch looking fire though, right? Ooh, vidimo i merch. Yeah, baby.